Hi, I'm Sunny Vermillion, and this is my video essay assignment for Writing 111. So the first piece I want to talk about is the writing project number 2. This is the protest song analysis. And what I learned from this assignment is the value of revision. So previously my writing process had mainly been idea, researching, drafting, and then final. But in this project in particular, I really learned the value of revision. In this paragraph previously, before I added all the information, before I added some of this information and just talked about the lyrics and just analysis of lyrics. In my peer review, someone commented about how I should add some information about Beyonce's personal life and kind of add some background to it to make a more in-depth analysis. And after that peer review, I went and I did some research and I added in, and I really liked what I came out with. I thought it was a lot more robust and a lot more thorough. So from that experience, I really learned the value of peer review in my writing. I also was able to learn as a writer how to take input and criticism to create a better work at the end. And because of this, peer review is now going to become a constant part of my writing, in my writing process from here on out. And so this class has taught me how important peer review is for my writing, and that good writing takes many steps, many eyes looking at it, and it's definitely a process. The second piece I'm going to talk about is a response paper. In this response paper, I chose to respond to Emma Watson's speech about feminism, and this piece was definitely challenging because I'd never done this type of paper before. I'd done papers where I've analyzed photos and speeches and statues and a lot of different things, but I'd done personalized writing, like college essays and creative writing and that sort of writing, but I never blended the two together. So this is definitely interesting to do that, and definitely very challenging. But I liked how the personal aspects and the analysis components came together at the end. Again, I also saw the value of peer review in this because I had this quote and I'd had the analysis, but I had one sentence about being a woman in computer science, but my peer review group encouraged me to elaborate on that and to add some stories and add some more context on that, so that I really would add to the paragraph, and I totally agree. I ended up adding that, as you can see here, and really loved what I'd created. And so, again, due to the peer review comment, it enabled me to create better writing, and adding that step in my process, again, gave me a really good result at the end. And through doing this response paper, I was able to again expand my writing and what I'm able to do. So like I said, I had a lot of previous experience with creative writing and with analysis writing, but with this assignment I was able to do both of those together and actually respond to something personally, and I think that's really cool to be able to do that and to have experience of that now. And so I definitely think this class has taught me a lot about my writing process, what works best for me, what to add to my process, which I added peer review, and I really enjoyed that. It's also taught me how to better use peer review and editing and that sort of thing to get from the draft to the final. It's also taught me to continue to expand my writing horizons. And I think I'm going to take all these things with me as I continue on to the next English class and throughout my time in week 4. So thank you so much, Professor Fiander, for everything. And I've learned so much, and I can't wait to take it with me as I go forward. Thank you.